Welcome back. Chennai continues to fight waterlogging even as the city braces for fresh rainfall. The IMD has issued a red alert for Delta districts in Tamil Nadu, including Puducherry and Karaikal. An orange alert has been issued for Chennai. Thunderstorm with moderate rainfall is likely to occur at isolated places over Tiruvallur, Chennai, Chengalpattu, Kanchipuram and Puducherry. This has forced the state government to declare a holiday for schools and colleges in 9 districts of Tamil Nadu on 10th and the 11th of November. IMD has also issued a warning to fishermen and advised them to not go towards Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu coast and adjacent Sri Lankan coast till 11th of November. Tamil Nadu Fire and Rescue Service officials rescued 16 families from a secluded area at the Red Hills. The Fire and Rescue Service has deployed 1,300 personnel for rescue operations in Chennai along with swimmer teams.
We're on the outskirts of the Chennai city in an area called Madambakam, and what you can see behind me is water filled all across the road. These are residential areas, and what we can see here is that water even seeping into the neighboring houses and even the drain system. This on my left, if my camera person can pan and show you, is the drainage system. Even this is overflowing here, so it is a very difficult situation. We can see that a motorized pump has been set up to pump out the water from this low-lying area into other parts of this area, but unfortunately for the last 3 days residents have been telling us that this has been the situation here, and now we're seeing that the IMD has warned that there will be severe rainfall in the next coming days. So it is a matter of huge concern. We're seeing that lot of work is being put on the ground by the corporation as well. Multiple motors are being set up across Chennai city to pump out water, but continuous rains has caused a lot of hindrance. With camera person Daniel from Madambakam in Chennai, this is Akshaya Nath for India Today.
Districts like Nagapattinam and surrounding areas have received heavy rainfall, and because of that, in the state of Tamil Nadu, 9 districts have declared holiday for today and tomorrow for schools and colleges, and 26 districts overall have declared holiday for the day. The reason being water stagnation in Chennai. This is Ashok Nagar, and you could see in a school the level of water stagnation at this part, and this is a bigger issue across schools and colleges. For the day, Chennai is expected to receive a good amount of rainfall, considering the system if it turns into a depression and moves towards Chennai coast. And that's the reason officials have also requested to people to stack up whatever items they need and not to venture unnecessarily outside for the day. This rain is expected to continue until tomorrow afternoon, post which rains are expected to subside. That low pressure area in Bay of Bengal within the next 12 hours is expected to turn into a depression, and the updates on it will be provided by the Met Department. This video is Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.